Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to unfollow someone on Pinterest. So there are a couple of ways you can do this. So you can do this from your profile page. So you can see I'm on my profile page here and I'm following 375 people. So if I want to unfollow one of them, I can click on that and all the people I'm following will come up. So I can search for the account I want to unfollow and just basically click unfollow. So the other way you can do it is if you're scrolling on your home feed and you're seeing content that maybe you think, oh, I don't want to see that anymore. I don't like their content. You think, oh, I don't want to follow them anymore. So you can click onto a pin and unfollow them from their account. So let me find one that I think I'm following. So let me click on their profile and I can see, yes, I'm following them there. So to unfollow them, I'm just going to click on there and I've unfollowed them. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel and I will see you soon.